The Enchanted Grove, Chapter 1, The Mysterious Invitation. In a quaint village nestled at the edge of a dense forest, there lived a young girl named Amelia. Amelia had always been drawn to the stories and legends surrounding the magical forest that loomed just beyond her home. The villagers spoke in hushed tones of an enchanted grove hidden deep within, a place said to hold unimaginable wonders. One fateful day, an intricately designed envelope arrived at Amelia's doorstep. Inside was an invitation, adorned with shimmering gold ink and delicate illustrations of mythical creatures. The message read, "Dear Amelia, you have been chosen to embark on a remarkable journey into the heart of the magical forest. Your courage and curiosity have not gone unnoticed. Meet at the ancient oak tree by the edge of the village when the moon is at its zenith. A world of enchantment awaits you. Yours faithfully, the guardians of the grove." Amelia's heart raced with excitement. She had long dreamt of exploring the forest, and this invitation seemed like a golden opportunity. She knew she couldn't resist the call of adventure. With a determined gleam in her eye, she prepared herself for the journey ahead. Chapter 2, Into the Unknown. Under the silvery glow of the moon, Amelia made her way to the ancient oak tree. As she approached, she noticed a small group of fellow villagers, all clutching their own mysterious invitations. They exchanged curious glances, their anticipation palpable. Moments later, the ground began to vibrate, and a soft, ethereal melody filled the air. A magnificent doorway materialized before them, woven from shimmering threads of magic. The guardians of the grove emerged, dressed in robes of emerald green, and crowned with garlands of flowers. "Welcome, chosen ones," the guardians intoned in unison. "Prepare to witness the wonders of the magical forest." With trepidation and excitement intertwining within her, Amelia stepped through the threshold, entering a world she could scarcely have imagined. The forest was alive with vibrant hues, each leaf and flower glowing with otherworldly radiance. Whispers of ancient secrets floated on the breeze, beckoning the adventurers deeper into the heart of the grove. Chapter 3, Friends and Foes. As Amelia and her newfound companions ventured further into the magical forest, they encountered a host of captivating beings. Mischievous pixies flitted through the branches, leaving trails of sparkling dust in their wake. Graceful unicorns grazed upon shimmering grass, their coats glistening like starlight. Wise old tree spirits shared their wisdom, guiding the adventurers with their gentle voices. Yet, not all inhabitants of the forest were friendly. Malevolent shadows lurked beneath the twisted roots of the ancient trees, their glowing eyes watching the intruders with malice. Amelia and her companions learned to navigate the delicate balance of light and darkness, forging alliances with the creatures that embodied kindness and courage. Chapter 4, The Quest for Balance. Amidst the wonders and dangers of the magical forest, Amelia discovered that a powerful enchantment had disrupted the harmony that once prevailed. The Heartstone, the source of the forest's magic, had been stolen by a malevolent sorcerer seeking to wield its immense power for his own nefarious purposes. Determined to restore balance to the grove, Amelia and her companions embarked on a perilous quest to retrieve the stolen Heartstone. They faced treacherous riddles, encountered mythical beasts, and delved into the depths of forgotten ruins. Along the way, they discovered their own hidden strengths, learning to trust in themselves and each other. Chapter 5. The Power of Belief. As Amelia and her companions finally reached the lair of the sorcerer, a fierce battle ensued. With their collective courage and unwavering belief in the magic of the forest, they overcame the sorcerer's dark spells and reclaimed the Heartstone. With the Heartstone returned to its rightful place, the forest began to pulsate with renewed vitality. Flowers bloomed in a riot of colors, birdsong filled the air, and the once malicious shadows retreated, replaced by playful beams of sunlight. Chapter 6. The Gift of the Grove. Grateful for their bravery and determination, the guardians of the grove bestowed upon Amelia and her companions a great honor. They were anointed as protectors of the magical forest, entrusted with safeguarding its treasures and maintaining the delicate balance between the forces of light and darkness. Amelia, forever changed by her adventures, vowed to uphold this responsibility with all her heart. The Enchanted Grove became her sanctuary, a place where dreams intertwined with reality, and where the ordinary became extraordinary. And so, in the heart of the magical forest, Amelia found not only wonder and enchantment but also her own true purpose.